Fuck! Holy shit. And good morning to you guys. It's Friday. I guess I just cut all the power to the whole apartment. Oh, here it is. Okay, so I'm guessing I need to unplug the coffee machine. Ta-da! Going on to plan B. So yesterday I found the other guys. We were at a restaurant and got back to the apartment, which is here. This is a really nice, really nice view and place. Okay, so the plan now is to get some breakfast and meet up with the other guys in the airport, because we only like 8 people here and we are going to be 20 in total. 22, I guess. So we need to meet up at the airport later and have some lunch together and go to the house. On our way to get breakfast. I was up like 5:30, so I had like 3 cups of coffee, so I could use some food.
What's up, Henrik? Brændgaard.
Brændgaard. Oh, that's the place. Awesome.
Grab all you can.
We're running late, so we have like 10 minutes before the buffet closes. So now we're back at the airport, just need to find the others. We have a meetup at 12 o'clock, then we just gonna meet with the other guys and go to the house that we're going to stay in for the next 7 days. We made it to the house, the house. Damn, it's hard to talk English all the time. Let's go get our rooms. Everybody's ready. We're briefing. All set, going to play some soccer. We've just been working for a bit, some couple of hours. Yeah, just right now we're going to play some soccer at this field down there. By the house.
Yeah!
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
update. We just played some soccer, went to the pool. We won, by the way, in the soccer game. Important fact. And yeah, we had a horse inside. Not inside, but almost. It was just outside the working area. That was pretty weird. Out here, there's nobody. I think the nearest house is that one over there. Actually, we are so far out that there's no code on the Wi-Fi. That says a lot. So now we are waiting to get some dinner, waiting for it to be ready. Then we're gonna eat, talk with the others, and have an awesome evening.